Due to the crisis at Silicon Valley Bank and resulting volatility in USDC, Bitcoin trading on Coinbase has become sensitive to USDC volatility. It is trading at a premium. This likely represents a discount or flight from USDC. Users rushed to redeem their USDC for USD when news of Circle's funds being stuck in Silicon Valley Bank broke. Coinbase suspending conversions over the weekend added to the problem, leaving traders with no option but to liquidate holdings in the spot market. As a result, the BTC USD market on Coinbase is effectively acting as a BTC USDC market. This article discusses the current crisis faced by Silicon Valley Bank and its effect on the USD coin. This has caused Bitcoin trading to be relatively higher on crypto exchange Coinbase's measured by the Coinbase Premium Index. It is believed that this is due to the discount or flight from USDC, as Coinbase merged its order book with the USD order book in July 2020. USDC prices fell to 90 cents late Friday, which triggered a rotation of money out of USDC and into other assets. At press time, USDC had bounced back to around 95 cents, while Bitcoin had rebounded to $21,100 after touching a low of $19,600 on Friday. This article suggests that Coinbase users had to liquidate their holdings in the spot market as conversions were suspended when banks were closed. The article concludes by noting that the BTC USD market is effectively acting as a BTC USDC market. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that was launched in 2017. It allows smart contracts on various blockchain platforms to securely access off-chain data and external APIs. It has gained significant adoption in the cryptocurrency space. Link, the network's native token, is used to incentivize oracles to provide accurate data and to reward node operators. It has been showing tremendous growth since its launch, despite the recent downtrend. It is a popular investment asset due to its strong adoption in the cryptocurrency space, high-profile partnerships, and well-respected investors. Chainlink announced plans to launch staking at the end of 2022, which is much anticipated in the crypto space. This update will bring additional utility to Link and enable community participation, leading to enhanced overall security. Analysts have predicted that the price of Link could reach $26.64 to $32.01 by 2025, yielding a massive return on investment. Chainlink has made several new developments, such as partnerships, API connection improvements, and customized services. This suggests that its Link token could reach a maximum price of $221.40 by 2030. Several experts have projected that Link will reach $100 in 2025 and $500 by 2030, with one analyst even expecting it to reach $2,500 by 2030. The major factors that will influence Link's price in the coming years are the rising demand for its services and the relevance of its niche in the future. Additionally, its current leading position in the market will also play a role. This article provides an in-depth overview of the cryptocurrency Chainlink. It covers the token's use cases, adoption, and partnerships, and provides insight into the potential drivers of its price movements. It also outlines the pros and cons of investing in Link, as well as the opinions of experts on its future price performance. The article is well researched and provides a comprehensive overview of the cryptocurrency, making it a useful reference for anyone looking to invest in Link. This article provides an overview of the potential price action of Chainlink's token, which is expected to be affected by the upcoming Ethereum mainnet merge. The analysis suggests that Link could reach $100 if Ethereum breaks the $10,000 mark, and that Link could reach up to $221.40 by 2030 based on various projections from crypto experts. Furthermore, the article discusses the importance of Chainlink's Oracle services to the future of smart contracts, comparing the token and its services to the performance of a traditional company with a healthy balance sheet. Although the Fear and Greed Index was flashing signs of fear, the article points to the fact that Chainlink is the leader of its sector, making its services essential to projects both now and in the future. Bitcoin's price rose to $21,400 after news emerged. U.S. federal authorities were discussing safeguarding uninsured deposits at Silicon Valley Bank in case a buyer for the institution could not be found. The bank had collapsed last week following a $42 billion bank run, with 85% of its depositors having funds not covered by the FDIC. Bids for the bank were due earlier this afternoon, and government action would be a possible fallback option should the auction fail. This article discusses the potential government action to safeguard uninsured deposits at Silicon Valley Bank, which recently collapsed due to a $42 billion bank run. The news of a possible rescue or purchase by the government caused the price of Bitcoin to jump to $21,582.26, up more than 4% in the last 24 hours. Bids were due earlier this afternoon, and it remains to be seen if the government will take action if the auction fails to yield an acceptable buyer. This article highlights the potential for government intervention to prevent a panic in the financial system, and its effect on the price of Bitcoin.